Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix this blank screen problem. I have deployed my application on Vercel but it is showing blank screen. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem. So to fix this problem you have to visit WebDev Pro space and then click here on connect with GitHub. It is quite easy to fix this problem, so don't worry. You can see this is blank screen, and then after connecting it with GitHub I will click here on refresh, and then I will select the repository. My repository name is VeggieViz. You can see the repository name is VeggieViz. So I will select this repository, and then if your application is deployed on Netlify, then you have to click here on Netlify. But my application is deployed on Vercel, then I will click here on Vercel. And this is the tutorial of how to set Gemini API key in Vercel. If you will click on Netlify, then you can see the tutorial for Gemini API key setting in Netlify. So now I will click here on I have set the API key, and it is fixing the repository. You can see the status here. So I have successfully fixed the problem, and now I will click here. I will click here on production, and then click here on environment variable, and then click here on Gemini API key, and then you have to put your Gemini API key here, and then click here on save. And once it is saved, you can see your Gemini API key is here, and then you have to click here on redeploy, and then you have to click here on redeploy, and then you have to click here on view deployment. Here you can see the sign of buffering. When this buffering will be completed, our app will be so completely perfectly. It took 20 seconds. It took 34 seconds and done. Here you can see our app has been successfully deployed, and now I will refresh this page, and well done. You can see I have perfectly deployed this application without any blank screen problem. Thanks for watching this video, guys. In the next video I will show you how to make this API key safe, because whenever you are saving your API key in environment variable, whether it is Netlify or Vercel, your API key is not safe. Anyone can easily steal your API key. So in the next video I will show you how to make this API key protected from anyone. So I am closing this recording.